I'll push that nose down. See if you can't go get that glide path.
TBM 0 Charlie Alpha, you'll be number 1
Since
by the
we're
time you
VMC,
get to the left base. Your
there's
left
no
base,
harm or foul on that.
Short final runway 14.
Altitude 1,000 to go.
Report left base, 0 Charlie Alpha.
Remember, you need the white arc in order to get full flaps. About 10 knots you have to scrub off. And there you are. 300. Good. That nose down. Come on down. See how I know that you need to do that?
Yeah.
Put that aim point right in the center of the windshield. Hold the crab. And now you have power for airspeed. Hold the pitch.
Check altitude. Altitude 200 to go.
Flare to, you're going to use trim to help you with the flare. Looks good. Squeeze and off power. Squeeze and off power. Right there, right there. Very sweet. Gently. Center the pedals, lower the nose. Back pressure, brakes, and beta. The harder you push on the brakes, the more you can pull on the back pressure. And the more aerodynamic braking
172
you
Mike
get.
Alpha, you going hangar, sir?
Yes, sir. North ramp.
Meridian 2 Mike Alpha, takes to parking on the ground point 6. Have a good night, sir.
Thank you. 2 Mike Alpha.
Dick Rochfort, welcome to Destin. Fly safely. Train off.